NetBrain allows you to automatically capture critical troubleshooting data at time of event, so you can analyze it later. This is made possible by integrating NetBrain with your existing ticketing tool to trigger NetBrain to act on your behalf when a ticket is created. Next, it allows you to create consistent and best practice troubleshooting diagnostic processes for any support level. This is made possible with NetBrain by allowing senior-level engineers to create a repeatable set of runbooks. And you can easily compare live data with past data to see what's changed and when. This is made possible with NetBrain's continuous historical baselining. Finally, you can troubleshoot together in real time across NetOps, SecOps, and DevOps teams. This is made possible with NetBrain's enhanced communication pane, centered around the map of the problem area. Incident response automation is NetBrain's answer to the challenges of manual incident response. Reduce your mean time to repair with NetBrain's troubleshooting automation.